Previously, on our Trafalgar Tour of the 5 epic national parks, we began our journey to the Grand Canyon on the old railway and were provided with some local entertainment. My father and I then explored the Rim Trail, as well as the various shopping centers throughout the property. To conclude this amazing day, we took a helicopter tour through the canyon, which was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Overall, the Grand Canyon was breathtaking and one of my favorite places I've ever been to. As you may remember, we started our adventure in the western town of Jackson, Wyoming. Next, we completed the Snake River cruise and explored Teton Village. Then, we wrapped up our adventure within the Tetons as we made our way to the wild and wonderful Yellowstone National Park, where we experienced the true beauty and wonder of our planet. Afterwards, we made it to Salt Lake City, which was our next milestone, leading to Bryce Canyon, as well as Zion National Park, both locations offering some incredible views of geological formations. Then, we made it to Williams, Arizona, home to the final national park for this excursion, the Grand Canyon. After so many incredible experiences on this tour, it was now the final day and slowly coming to an end, but we still had one final adventure to complete in Las Vegas, Nevada. Along the way, we took a detour to Peach Springs, which was a small town located on the historic Route 66. We stopped at a local shop that sold very unique gifts and antiques for tourists to purchase. I highly recommend making a stop to this quaint town if you are a history buff. After hours of traveling through intense summer heat, we made it to our final destination, Las Vegas. Welcome everyone to Las Vegas. After several hours of driving, our final day in the coach tour bus for Trafalgar, we finally made it to this awesome city. So sit back and relax and enjoy the nighttime showcasing of the lights from the various casinos and hotels. I have to say this has been a great vacation. I really enjoyed all the destinations, and I hope you did as well. We traveled to Yellowstone, Grand Teton National Park, Bryce Canyon, as well as the Grand Canyon and Zion National Park, so they were all very awesome locations. I have to say overall my favorite one out of all 5 of them would probably be Yellowstone is my favorite because of the geysers and the wildlife. It was just super awesome, a really amazing experience. So other than that, I just wanted to do a brief recap and sit back and relax and enjoy the show in Las Vegas. Thank you all for watching this travel series. I had an absolute blast creating each installment and visiting these incredible locations in the western United States. As always, stay tuned for more adventures coming soon.